Hello and welcome again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Metasploitable in your VirtualBox. Okay, so to do that, just open the Chrome and then type Metasploitable over here. You will find a link over here, which is www.rapid7.com. Okay, we have to click over here. Then once you click on that, you can download the VirtualBox from here, Metasploitable VirtualBox. Okay, so this particular thing it's really helpful if you wanted to learn like many things like cyber security or maybe penetration testing. This is going to help you to check as a test server or something like that. You need a server to check, or you need a server to perform all these things, like to, or let's suppose you can scan all those things. Okay, so this particular server, it's really helpful for that. So you can download it from here. So I have already downloaded the file over here. If I show you, this is the file. So once you downloaded this file, and then you can check, this is the admin and this is the password which is mentioned. So now how we can use that? So first of all, we have to like unzip this thing. So I'm going to use 7-zip and I'm going to unzip this thing. Okay, so this is unzip now. So I'm going to open the VirtualBox now, and then over here, as you can see, I have already created a Metasploitable VirtualBox. You can do that also. Like, it's a very simple thing. Like, as you can see, I have given only 512 MB of RAM, which will be enough, I believe. And on the storage device, I'm going to change this virtual hard disk with this one, music, and this one, which is I have downloaded. And then you can do that, or you can just simply create that from your new center, like from here, add or new, you can do that. Then on the network, on the network, I'm going to select it on the bridge adapter, then hit enter. Now let's start this thing. Okay, so it's starting up now. Okay, so as you can see, it's saying that Metasploitable login. So you can already see the login details over here. So it's MSF admin. So we are going to type MSF admin, then hit enter. Password is also same, and we are inside of the Metasploitable. So our Metasploitable server is now created. Okay, and we can use this. So if I type ADDR and hit enter, you can see it's already taken a IP address which is 124. So this particular tool is really nice if you are using for penetration testing or ethical hacking. Okay, so if you find this video any helpful, then please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a nice day ahead. Thank you.